You eat fried chicken for Christmas. Yes, it's a Japanese tradition. Nice. I gotta try this. A few days later. Audrey, where are all my pigeons? Anthony refused to get KFC for Christmas, so I wanted to make the fried chicken myself. There was only one small problem. I ran out of chickens. You turned my pigeons into fried chickens? You didn't say I wasn't allowed to use them. Want some? Yes, please.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video. I really appreciate your support. Till then, have a nice day. Bye!